Hello, welcome back. Today I'm going to create cauliflower fried rice. For those of you that cannot eat regular rice for dietary reasons or health reasons, this is an excellent option. And I guarantee you, if you follow my technique, it's going to turn out delicious. You're not going to miss the regular fried rice or whatever. You're truly going to enjoy this. So, if you like my creations, feel free and share. Hit the like button and crash that subscribing one if you haven't subscribed yet, because this is going to be a game changer. So go nowhere. Let's have some fun. Subscribe. Let's create. So here are the ingredients. I have a cauliflower, which I'm going to cut and I'm going to grind into rice using this tool, the thicker part. I have soy sauce. I'm going with low sodium. Oil. I'm going to use some ham. You can use any type. You can use some cured pancetta. You can use whatever you want. You can use ham. Doesn't matter. Has some salt for flavor. A little bit of onion, like tablespoon. And I have a couple tablespoons of green onions. I have, and both of them are chopped. I do have an egg, and I have a hot pepper. Because typically, when you eat Asian food, especially Chinese type, the traditional one is hot. And they don't do fried rice either, by the way. But I just doing fried rice here. And this one I'm going to chop. And whatever amount you want to use is up to you. It depends how spicy you want it. And this is optional. Cauliflower, I have a lot of water, natural water, so I'm going to dry a little bit. I almost skip this process, but decided not to. So I put in the thin rag. I'm just going to dry a little bit. Had a little bit of water. Then I'm going to transfer here. Some people use a microwave to dry it. Going 100% natural. So I had this pan in a very high heat. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put a little bit of oil. You can use whatever oil you want. I like extra virgin olive oil because it's healthy. And first thing is I'm going to fry the egg. I have a non-stick pan. Let me lower the heat a little bit to medium high. Getting that protein, huh? I'm going to add a little bit of the onions. The cut ham. Oh, it starts smelling good. The hot peppers. Green onions. I can show you some of the onions. I'll do this for a minute or so. Let me add a tiny bit more oil. Then I add the rice. The cauliflower rice, that is. See how pretty it's looking? This is not going to take a long time. Going to add a little bit of the soy sauce. Low sodium, 50% lower. Still have sodium on it. A tiny pinch of salt because the soy sauce already has sodium, so just a tiny bit. Just a tiny bit. And you don't have to add any at all, as a matter of fact. Woo, it's cooking, huh? Fried cauliflower rice. Almost done. Almost done. See how beautiful it looks? Fried cauliflower rice. Done.